What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sheikah. It's 12:30 in the morning, and my baby is snoring. Listen. I mean, I know my baby tired, but I can't fucking sleep. Yep, that's what I deal with. YouTube, make sure you subscribe me. Thumbs up for this video. Good night.